Hi, I'm Finbar Curran from the RTB Dispute Resolution team. Today, I'm going to show you how to complete some basic tasks using the RTB's online Dispute Resolution Centre. First, go to rtb.ie to access the RTB's Dispute Resolution Centre. On the website homepage, click on the Dispute Resolution Centre button in the top right-hand corner. You will now need to log in or create an account to access the disputes portal. First, select the correct account type to create. If you are an individual landlord or tenant who is managing your own dispute case, then select Individual. Fill in the details to create your account. We will send you an email to verify your account. Once you click on the link to verify this email, you will be able to access your account. You can manage your account and update your contact details at any time. Just click on your name in the top right-hand corner and select Profile. If you want to add a representative to look after your dispute case, you can do this by notifying your case officer. We will show you how to send a message later in the video. To submit a dispute application, click on the Services tab on the top menu in your account, then select Dispute Services on the left-hand menu. Then click on the Submit a Dispute button. You will then need to tell us if you are completing this form as a landlord, a tenant, a third party, or a representative. Some questions might be different depending on what you choose. For example, if you are a landlord or a landlord representative, you will need to enter your registered tenancy number. As I have selected that I am a landlord representative, I will now need to fill in 5 different sections of this form: rental property details, applicant details, representative details, respondent details, and dispute details. Where we have relevant account information, this will already be populated in the forms. The form asks for details about the dispute and collects the information we need depending on the dispute type. For example, if it is a dispute about rent arrears, we will ask you about the amount of rent arrears. After you submit your dispute application, you will get an email from the RTB with details of next steps for your case. First, our dispute resolution team will arrange a call to talk you through the dispute resolution process and your dispute resolution options. At this point, we will schedule your case for a mediation or adjudication hearing. We encourage mediation as the fastest and most effective way to resolve tenancy disputes. If you choose mediation, this is free, and we will proceed immediately to schedule your case. If you choose adjudication, you will need to pay a fee of €30 before we can schedule your case. If you need to make a payment for an adjudication hearing or for an appeal, we will create a payment task for you. You will get an email to say you need to make a payment. You can also find the payment task in your account. Just select the dispute case that you need to make a payment for and go to the My Tasks area. To make a payment, click into the task, then click on the payment link and it will open in a separate window. When the payment is made, click on the Complete button. If you click the Complete button before the payment is made, the task will disappear. You can check your case status at any time. Just select the dispute case, and in the area at the top of the page, you can see both the status and the stage of your case. When you have selected your hearing type and made any necessary payments, this status will say Awaiting Scheduling. Once we schedule your hearing, you will receive an email and a letter with the hearing date and time. You can also see the scheduled time by clicking on the Activity tab in your dispute case. When your case is scheduled, we will create an Upload Evidence task for you. You will get an email to say you need to upload your evidence. You will be able to do this until 5 working days before your hearing. You can also find the Upload Evidence task in your account. Just select the dispute case that you need to upload evidence for and go to the My Tasks area in that case. Under the text, you will see an Upload Documents box. Select the paperclip icon to add your attachments. You can add some documents now and then come back later to add some more. Do not click Complete until you have uploaded all of the documents you need. Everything you upload will be added as a case file that is shared with other case parties and the mediator, adjudicator, or tribunal panel. So please make sure you only share things that you are happy for other parties to see, and make sure to redact any sensitive information before you upload the documents. After your hearing, we will write to you about your dispute outcome by email and by post. You will also find the report in the activity area of your dispute case. If we do not receive an appeal, we will issue a legally binding determination order to both dispute parties. The case will then be marked as resolved in your case portal. When we write to you about the outcome of a mediation or adjudication hearing, we will tell you about your options to appeal. We will also explain the strict time limits to do this. If you want to appeal, select the dispute case in your account and go to the My Tasks area. you will see there is an option to appeal. This will stay open until the date specified in your letter. If you have a question at any point in the dispute process, you can contact your case officer through the Dispute Resolution Centre. Just select your dispute case, click on the actions, and select Start a Conversation. This will trigger an email to you. You can then reply to this email to send information to your case officer. Thank you for watching this video on how to use the RTB's Online Dispute Resolution Centre. I hope that you found it useful. For more information on rental law and RTB services, please visit rtb.ie.